So I have already created my layer. So now I'm going to type my text. So select the type tool. You can either use the text or any shape. So I'm going to type my text. Now select the move tool. Now left click here, make sure the align is relative to the Canva. Now let's align it vertically and then horizontally. And now in order to add the hyperlink, left click here and then select the slice tool. And now I'm just going to use the slice tool here to make an area here. So I'm going to select this area. So now it doesn't matter the layer you're selecting, it will take the whole image into consideration. And now right click inside the selection you made with the slice tool. And now just select slice options. For the name, I'm going to type the name, for example, Google. And now for the URL of the website, I'm just going to paste in the Google website, www.google. For the target, if you want your image to open on a new tab, type underscore and then blank. And now just press OK. And now go to File, Export As. And now you can either export it in PNG, JPEG, WebP, or PDF. So I'm going to save it as a JPEG. I'm going to export it as a JPEG and then save. So here it is. And now here's my file. So I will need to extract it. I'm going to use WinRAR. So extract to new project 3. And now double click inside the file. So as you can see, we have two files here, the images. So here are the images inside. So I'm going to close it. And now let's go back, and the index.html, this is the one we need. So I'm going to just drag it in my browser. So here's our image. And now, as you can see, my cursor changes into a pointer. So I'm just going to left click. So here it is. As you can see, it opened the Google in new tab.